So this is the Xiaomi MIX Flip. When unfolded, this device may look kinda similar to Samsung Flip Moto Razr, but that edge-to-edge cover screen, max out specifications and HyperOS lock screen makes it an exceptional device. So we have a 4-inch near bezel-less cover screen with subtle micro curve edges, something I like a lot. These specs are 120Hz refresh rate, DC dimming on the cover screen and 2160Hz PWM plus DC on main, which is best for your eyes. There are dual cameras, 50 megapixel main which can shoot fantastic photos and videos. There are some official images captured by Xiaomi MIX Flip and they all look great. There is a 50 megapixel telephoto shooter with 2 times lossless zoom that can be used to shoot portrait photos and macro images, and that will like a color science which is gonna help in better colors and accuracy. This cover screen is not just about bunch of notifications or widget. You can actually use it just like the main screen for watching videos or messaging on social media, using maps and a lot more. Some of the apps on that cover display are full screen while some are 16:9 with a tiny widget below that dual cameras to make use of that 2-inch space. Xiaomi HyperOS lock screen is one of the most entertaining software I ever used. We have a bunch of cool animated wallpapers and there's bunch of templates you guys can pick from. You guys can change clock font, colors, and there's depth effect in the lock screen as well. This device is powered by Qualcomm 8 Gen 3, which is powerful and power efficient, can play high graphic games and do multitasking without any issue. The best part is Xiaomi have used a massive vapor chamber for better cooling, so yes, it doesn't heat much. There is a 4780 mAh battery which is even larger than Samsung Fold 6 battery size. That is insane. There is 67 watts fast charging, UFS 4.0 and all the greatest and best specifications. So overall a great device, and yes guys, it is coming outside China as well. This is the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4, one of the thinnest and lightest folding phone in the market right now. So it is just 9.47mm thin and weighs just 226 grams. Samsung Fold 6 is 12.2mm and weighs 239 grams. The interesting part is Xiaomi Fold got a massive 5100 mAh battery size. Guys, this thing is even thinner than the iPhone when folded. So this design is a masterpiece, we just cannot deny that. You guys can check full hands-on video of the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4, link in the description. The pricing in China is 5,999 yuan, which is 70,000 INR. That is approx $825 US, and that is a great price. It is coming global markets as well, so let's wait for the global pricing. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.